Pride Month meaning celebrating lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and queer persons, as well as the history, culture, and accomplishments of these people and their communities. Pride Month is a month-long observance that takes place every June. It is not restricted to persons who identify as having these sexual orientations or gender identities. Pride Month also recognizes and celebrates a variety of other identities that are considered outside of the cishet mainstream, such as those who are intersex, non-binary, asexual, pansexual, aromantic, two-spirit, or who identify in other ways or who are questioning their sexual or gender identity or expression, as well as those who are questioning their sexual or gender identity or expression. Different abbreviations are frequently used before the month's name, including LGBT, LGBTQ, and LGBTQ+, among others, to ensure that the month is as inclusive as possible for all people. Pride Month is usually referred to as Pride Month for short, as in I can't wait until Pride begins. The word pride, with a capital P, is also used as a noun to refer to events that take place during this month, as well as an adjective in expressions such as Pride Parade and Pride Festival. A frequent way for individuals to mark Pride Month is to organize parades and other large-scale celebrations that are devoted to individual demonstrations of pride and expression, such as displays of the rainbow pride flag and other flags representing people of diverse identities, among other things. Such gatherings are also frequently used as a platform for protesting against the discrimination and marginalization experienced by those who identify in these ways. Pride Month may trace its origins back to similar demonstrations, and it notably remembers the event known as the Stonewall Riots or the Stonewall Uprising, which is widely seen as the beginning of the fight for gay, lesbian, bisexual, and transgender rights in the United States. When does Pride Month take place? Every year in June, the LGBT community celebrates Pride Month.